This car had been in a traffic accident and had a scratch on the front hood and came to us for repair, and we charged $70 for the repair. First, start with 2,500 grit sandpaper and smooth the area around the scratch. Finally, clean the inside of the scratch with a magic cloud so that the paint can fill in easily. Mix the appropriate car paint with hardener or dryer and pour a few drops on the paper for the first step. Now, apply the paint to the scratch with a bank card and fill it in. Do this in 3 steps until it is completely filled. After finishing, give it 2 hours to dry. Now, smooth the paint with 2,500 grit sandpaper. And the last step is to polish and finish the job compared to before and after work, and like the video.